In this styling kit, you'll receive a page of accessories that you can cut out and arrange on the mantel. Be sure to have a large mirror or framed picture to ground the arrangement. Remember not to hang it too high over the top of the mantel. Balance the accessories on each side of the center. If you have a large object on one side, consider having two smaller ones on the other. I suggest not hanging a large television over the mantel, as it makes it difficult to view in most rooms. You can layer smaller pictures on the mantel over the front of larger ones. Mix textures, colors, and patterns. Follow a theme if you have one. Make sure your objects are different heights. Group your objects in groups of 2 or 3. Don't spread them evenly across the top of the mantel. Accessories might include candlesticks, flowers, plants, framed pictures, stacks of books. So go ahead and cut out these accessories, place them on this mantel, move them around until you find an arrangement that will look good in your room. Go to my Etsy shop, My Dreamy Home, to download this styling kit for accessories.